To present our first award category, please help me welcome Ian Pirtle, Vice President of Process Solutions at Cargill. Ian?
Good evening, everyone. It certainly is a pleasure to have the opportunity to present the first award this evening. The world is becoming smaller and flatter thanks to the finalists in the IT, software and hardware, communications and infrastructure, small growing category. They're bringing the world to our fingertips. Nearly every corner of the globe is within reach thanks to the technology of these emerging and growing companies.
The finalists for IT software and hardware, communications and infrastructure, small and growing are Feed Management Systems, Rich Reinertsen, CEO. SPS Commerce, Archie Black, President and CEO. Wireless Ronin Technologies, Jeffrey C. Mack, President and CEO. And the 2007 Tekne Award recipient is Wireless Ronin Technologies, Jeffrey C. Mack, President and CEO. Beginning as a wireless communications development company, Wireless Ronin Technologies recognized the market potential for digital signage software solutions and took action. The patented RoninCast software suite provides customers the ability to manage marketing on a digital signage network with centralized control, wireless delivery, and several integrated applications. As the marketing industry continues to adopt alternative media, the demand for manageable digital signage systems is expected to grow at a rate of 67%. Having won several awards and backed by a diverse and dynamic management team, Wireless Ronin Technologies is proving to be a leader in the digital signage market.